Hello everyone, welcome to TeknoDestek channel. In this video I will tell you what you have to do if somebody is pretending to be you and created Instagram account on your name. You have to fill this form from Instagram Help Center and they will close this account that pretending to be you. First you have to go Instagram's Help Center. After that, in here you have to choose someone created an account pretending to be me or a friend. After that, is this account impersonating you? You have to select yes, I am person being impersonated. After this, here you have to type your full name, for example name and your surname. In here your email address or email address. After that, in here you have to type the full name listed on the account that you are reporting. It probably will be again your name and your surname because they are pretending to be you. So name and surname in here. After that, in here Instagram username of reported account. Here you have to type username, whatever typing in the Instagram page, how to type in here. After that, here is a button telling you that upload your ID. It's not just ID. In here you have to take a photo that your ID card beside your face and you have to take photo. There must be your face and your ID card. After you take the picture and upload on here, is you have to add info that whatever you want to type in here. For example, we can type like hello, this account pretending to be me and I want this account to be closed. Please help me about this problem. Or whatever you want to type in here in the info, you can type and explain your problem in here. After you type this, you have to send it to Instagram. After you send it, Instagram will contact with you with the email address you typing in here. They will contact with you and they will solve your problem about that. If you have any question or different problem, you can call 11858 call center. If you call this number, they will help you about your problem. So if you have, like I said, if you have any problem, just call this number and they will help you. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like it. Have a good day. Bye.